Now, in this second video, as I said before, I want to explain you when is it possible to omit the relative pronoun. As you have there, it can be omitted when it doesn't work as the subject of the relative sentences. I have written two sentences there and I have analyzed them. For example, the first one, you have the man who or that you met is a celebrity, and the man who is very tall is my boyfriend. For example, in the first one, if you analyze the relative sentence, okay, you have who or that works as a complement. How do you know it's a complement? Because before the verb met, that is the verb of the relative sentence, you have a subject, which is you. You only works as subject, okay? So normally, in spoken English, people would say, the man you met is a celebrity. For me, for example, in the exams, I want you that you might have a type of exercise in which I will tell you to put a parenthesis when the omission of the pronoun is possible. So you have to get used to write a parenthesis in this case. For example, if you look at the second sentence, the man who is very tall is my boyfriend. Okay, you see that just after the relative pronoun, you have the verb. So it's not possible to omit who. You always say the man who is very tall. You can't say the man is very tall is my boyfriend. It makes no sense, as you can see, okay? And down there, I give you a tip, which I have already told you, that the way to know if you can omit the relative pronoun is just to see if there is a subject before the verb of the relative sentence. If there is no subject, like in the second sentence, it's not possible to omit the relative pronoun.